Speaker sir,
Magi
this House strongly recommends the government to commemorate 16 January as Asmitai Dis, Opinion Poll Day, as an official day of the state government and hold Asmitai Dis, Opinion Poll Day as official state function to commemorate the same. The same is to recognize the efforts of proud and brave Goans to maintain their separate identity as Goans.
Yes. Tarao Sabha Gramka Sat Ulet.
Speaker sir, पयस सुवातेर हें हांवें पर ओरिजिनल गायिल्लें आनी म्हाका दिसता खबर ना कित्याक कट केलें तें कित्याक असलो एक हितून म्हाका दिसता दोतोर पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकरा नांव आहा आमगेले जवाहरलाल नेहरूचें नांव आहा इंदिरा गांधी नांव आहा हें केलें म्हाका खबर ना कित्याक आनी एक दाखोवपाक हांव सोदितां हेच पद्दतीन BBCचें येयल्लें हेचो इतले 4-5 पेज्यो सारक्यो बुरोवन हें कांय करूं ना तूं बरें. Speaker sir, I start my speech by paying respect to all the known and unknown Goans who immensely contributed to retain the identity of Goa by participating in the historic opinion poll campaign. And Speaker sir, Dr. Jack Sikir, Purushottam Bab Kakodkar, Vasudev Bab Sarmalkar, चंद्रकांत बाब केणी, शंकर बाब भंडारी, एडवोकेट उदय बाब बेंब्रो, प्राउड कुंकोळकार आमगेलो शाबुदाद देसाई, उल्हास भुयाव, एन शिवदास, विजय बाई सरमळकर, नुरुद्दीन मवानी, वासुदेव बाब सलगांवकर, रवी बाब नायक ना तो हिंगा, विक्टोरिया फेर्नांडीस, एडवोकेट Amrut Bab Kasar, Narsim Naik by Urminda Lima Letau, the lone woman in the first Legislative Assembly, Dr. Alvaro Loyola de Furtado, Teotun Pereira, former MLA Enio Pimenta, Dr. Vinayak Maekar, Professor Armando Menezes, Sadanand Kenikar, Yashwant Desai, Luis Proth Barbosa, Speaker sir, and many others contributed to this historic opinion poll movement. Speaker sir, Poile Swatir, my salute to those who chose Don Pana and supported this anti-merger. Speaker sir, the then Congress government at the center did not think of any political benefit at that particular time when our central leaders gave opinion poll to Goa. The Congress government at the center at that time, Speaker sir, passed Goa Daman and Diu Opinion Poll Act in the Parliament in November 1966. Anik Rokhade, Speaker sir, announced the opinion poll date as 16 January 1967. Speaker sir, at the time of liberation of Goa, Prime Minister Pandit Nehruji had promised that Goa would retain its distinct identity. Pun Speaker sir, kai karna lagun, however, there were attempts to merge Goa into Maharashtra by passing a bill in the state legislature at that time. This move, Speaker sir, amgele Goenkaran opposed kele, who firmly believed in retaining the identity of Goenkarpon of Goa. It was then Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi ji who respected the sentiments of the proud Goans and agreed to the proposal put before her by Dr. Jack Sikir and Bab Purushottam Kakodkar. And because to allow Goans to decide their own fate. Because the President of India gave his assent to the Goa Daman and Diu Opinion Poll Act on 16 December 1966. And it passed in both the houses of Parliament. Speaker sir, 16 January 1967 was chosen to be the date of the opinion poll day. Speaker sir, Yach Disak on this day, 16 January 1967, the identity of Goa was retained with 81.77% voting जाल्लें. And Speaker Sir, of the 3,88,392 votes casting their ballot, of which 1,72,191 votes were in favor of the anti-merger, म्हणजे आमकां merge जावपाक नाका, as against 1,38,170 votes in favor of the merger of Goa into Maharashtra. Speaker Sir, Goa retained its identity with a margin of 34,021 votes. And Speaker Sir, when the opinion poll jale, amka ek separate identity we got. It was because of opinion poll that we got the recognition of Konkani as the official language of Goa. Because of this opinion poll and inclusion, and it was included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Speaker Sir, it was the opinion poll which also facilitated the statehood to Goa. Speaker Sir, आज आमी सगळे आमकां आमदार म्हणटाय, कोण मुखेलमंत्री आहा, आमी आमदार आहाय, तुमी स्पीकर आहाय. Speaker Sir, it is only because of this opinion poll. It is a matter of paramount importance, Speaker Sir, that we commemorate this historic day with a state function. And Speaker Sir, I don't want to politicize this. And I don't want to, I truly feel that this House should unanimously recommend that this government should take immediate steps to commemorate Asmitai this opinion poll day of Goa's as the official state function. एक state function जोरी तो रामी केले, कित्याक आज we would have been merged in Maharashtra. हुई ना हुई कोण पंच आसपाचो, कोण सरपंच आसपाचो, वो एक district आसपाची. It is because of this very fact. Speaker Sir, आज we have to basically salute all these Goenkars who choose दोन पानां rejected ते गुलाबाचे फूल जे आहले ते दोन पान सिलेक्ट कोन गुलाबा फूल रिजेक्ट कोन आज आमी हिंगा आहाय. जायते म्हाका दिसता हेजेर उलयले. I only request, I will not speak much, but I will only request all of us, let us truly believe and act in the favor of Goa. Let us not politicize this. We are today, because what we are is because of the opinion poll. Absolutely, the people are looking at us. The sentiments of the people are with us. Statehood, yes, but if opinion poll was not been given, if the call was not been taken, if sacrifices at that time people would have not voted in favor of the non-merger, we would have not been here today. Goa we would have been merged. You can imagine the feeling. The feeling is frightening. During the reorganization of states, if we were somewhere with with Maharashtra, this itself, Speaker Sir, has given us a platform. Ami Goenkar म्हणून आज आख्खे जगभर आज फामाद आहे. हांव मागोतां सगळ्यां कडेन की let us all work. It is just to आमगेले जे future generation आहे, the future generation today have to understand in the schools. This has to be celebrated. They have to know the sacrifices done by all our famous leaders. जावं दोतोर जाग सिकेर, जावं दोतोर पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर, जावं शाबू देसाई, जावं सगळे. म्हाका दिसता की हेजी याद आमी सगळ्यांनी करपाक जाय. Today, I hope that we have some better sense prevails in all of us. Let us not politicize this issue. With these few words, because I humbly request to all my colleagues here that let us support this resolution.
Speaker Sir, तेकाच लागून हांवें कितें सांगलें की 19 डिसेंबर 1961च्या उपरांत इन 67 ओपिनियन पोल जालो. ताज्या उपरांत 30 मे इन 1987 आमकां घटक राज्य मेळ्ळें. देशाच्या राज्याच्या प्रगतीत सगळ्यांचें कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आसा. हांव ना म्हणना, बट हे दीस बरेच जाण विसरलेले. हे दीस खूब जाण विसरलेले. आज युरीन परत एकदां हे रेजोल्युशन हांगा हाडलां, पण म्हाका सांगपाक बरें दिसता मनोहर पर्रीकारान सुरू केल्लें आतां आमी ऑफिशियली अस्मिताय दीस जो आसा पळय न्ही वो आमी मनयता. इतकें सांगून हांव ताका सांगता की त्यांनी ऑलरेडी हे रेजोल्युशन फाटीं घेवचें, कारण आमच्या सरकारान मनोहर पर्रीकारान ऑलरेडी सुरू केला. फक्त आमी उरलेल्या मदीं बदल्या काळात करूंक नासलो. तुवें याद करून दिली की रेगुलर करपाक जाय म्हणून. आमी ऑलरेडी करपाक सुरू केल्लोच, तो आमी रेगुलर करता.
सुरवात केल्ली ती तुवें बंद केल्ली ना.
जालें मरे, तुका सांगलें मरे.
ना मात तुवें बंद ना न्हू.
आतां तरी कॉंग्रेच्युलेट कर मरे. आमी सांगलें मरे, आतां तुवें याद केली म्हणून. तुवें याद केली म्हणून सांगलें मरे. तुवें याद केली म्हणून सांगलें हांवें. ओके, ताका लागूनच म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर बाप युरीन वो रेजोल्युशन फाटीं घेवचो.
Honorable,
आता जालें रे.
Honorable,
सर सो
is already Chief Minister has already spoken. Honorable member, is it your pleasure?
गॅरंटी सारकी जावपा जाय. दुसरी गॅरंटी न्हू, तुका खबर आहा खंयची गॅरंटी सारकी जावपा जाय गॅरंटी. Because based on the Chief Minister's assurance that this day will be celebrated, I withdraw my motion.
Put it to the vote.